Can avoiding certain foods help with yeast infection? Obviously, there are certain foods that can aid the multiplication of yeast in the body. Yeast thrives in warm and damp environments, but they normally feed on sweet and sugary food. So if the diet you are on is made up of sugar-containing food items, then it is a risk factor that can lead to yeast infection. The yeast infection diet refers to taking certain food substances that will help decrease the population of yeast in the body. The idea behind this diet is to starve out a huge chunk of the yeast by excluding the sugar-containing foods that are majorly their source of food. This includes the elimination of food containing simple sugars like many fruits, white flour and rice, alcohol drinks and anything fermented with yeast. This is a nice diet to try for a few weeks or months, especially if you have a recurring yeast infection. Observe, though, your system for as long as you are on this diet and take note of any cravings. Did you crave sugar, sweets, candy or any other sweetened food product? If you have an almost uncontrollable craving for sugar, then you should start treating yeast infection before it takes over your entire system. What should be in your diet? In simple terms, your diet should contain probiotics. If you want to prevent yeast infections, discourage the growth of yeast in your system or restore the balance between the good and the bad bacteria in and on your body, consider making probiotics part of your daily diet. Probiotics are living microorganisms that can be likened to the good bacteria in and on the body. These microorganisms help with digestion and other bodily functions. The best sources of probiotics include organic yogurt, preferably made with live bacteria cultures, bacteria-containing supplements. The right product should carry lactobacillus and/or acidophilus on the label. Avoid antibiotics. Antibiotics are normally taken to help kill other bad bacterial in the body, causing one disease or the other. However, this is not always the case. At a certain percentage, which may vary depending on other individual factors, these antibiotics may just kill the good bacterial also, thereby offsetting the bacterial balance in the body. Hence, if you are looking to control yeast infection with your diet, it is advised you are as cautious as possible with antibiotics. If you are placed on antibiotics by your doctor, call his attention to your yeast infection problems and work out a perfect dose for your system. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and consider subscribing for more healthy tips.